Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify rental comps with Zillow, complete guide step by step clearly. To verify rental comps using Zillow, begin by visiting the Zillow website. In the search bar, enter the location where you're interested in renting. Select the type of property you're focusing on, such as apartments or houses. Once the results load, apply filters for your desired number of bedrooms and bathrooms. Set your budget range for rent to narrow the results further. Look for the recently rented filter, which will help identify properties that have been leased recently. Review the list of properties and take note of their rental prices and features. Open the listings of properties similar to yours in size and amenities. Take screenshots or write down the rental prices and other important details for comparison. Pay attention to the rental duration stated in each listing, as it can vary. Now, look at the neighborhood data provided by Zillow, such as average rent prices, schools, and amenities. Use the Maps feature to visualize where the properties are located within the area. Check the rental history on properties you find appealing to see how much the rent has changed over time. Compare your findings across different listings to establish a fair rental price for your own property. Remember to consider any additional factors like property condition and available amenities. Once you have gathered enough data, summarize your findings in a document for reference. This comparison will help you make an informed decision on setting your rental price. By following these steps, you can effectively verify rental comps using Zillow. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.